gonna do the first round with you. You can simply repeat this video 3 times for a total set of 15. So let's get started. You're gonna lie all the way down on your back for what we call knee sways. So for this one, I'd actually like you to extend your arms straight up towards the ceiling. And if you just reach them above you and then simply press the shoulder blades back down, that's where you want to keep the shoulder blades throughout the exercise. Now bring your legs up into what we call a tabletop position. That's a 90-degree angle with the legs here. And now you're going to sway your knees over to the right, inhaling, and then exhale, pull in with your obliques and draw the legs back to center. And now tilt to the left. Inhale over and exhale back. So you'll feel even a little bit of a stretch in your lower back, but you want to pull in and activate. Start activating those oblique abdominals. Inhale, tilt over, and exhale back. What'll want to happen is your arms are going to want to sway over the opposite way, but that's where your abs have to kick in. Inhale, tilt, keep those arms focused right up towards the ceiling and back to center. Inhale over and back to center, and inhale over and back to center. And rest. So from here, single leg reach. We're going to start by lifting the legs up in a tabletop. Come up and extend one leg out, place the other hand on top of the knee, the other by the ankle. And now we're just going to alternate one leg at a time, just switching right to left. Always keeping the shoulder blades down as the chest comes up. And switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and keep alternating right to left. Switch, switch, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. And rest back down. You can actually hug your knees in a little bit, kind of rest your lower back. And now we're going to take that into what we call the double leg reach. So you're going to bring your chest back up here, reaching the fingertips towards your ankles. Now we extend both the arms and legs away from each other, and then exhale back together. Inhale, reach out. Exhale back in. Inhale, reach out. Exhale back in. If you need to modify this with your neck, if it's bothering you, you can always bring your hands behind your head as you do it here. And one more time, breathe in and exhale. Lift up and relax back down. And then the roll up. Legs are flat to the floor. You're gonna reach your arms right on up towards the ceiling, keeping those shoulder blades down. Take a breath in, extend the arms above your head back towards the floor. And now on the exhale, you're gonna roll through that ab curl position, reach towards your toes, and then slowly roll back down, one bone at a time. You breathe in and exhale. Slowly roll up and stretch towards those toes and roll back down. Now sometimes that can be a bit of a challenge. I'll show you here how to rock forward. That can get you up in between here, learning how to engage in those abdominals and get the flexibility into your spine. You can kind of rock it forward and stretch. And one more time, breathing in and exhale. Contracting forward and then slowly lowering back down to finish. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also click that subscribe button so that way you are notified every time I post a video. Remember, on this channel, I am here to help you with movement and mindset and also makeup tips to help build your confidence. So I hope you click that subscribe button, make sure to click it, and I will see you in my next video.